You know soup done, you know? Yeah, you work on the plaza and make soup done for you. Buddy. I started selling soup because I used to do taxi and I just get fed up one day. Because trust me, taxi will drive you insane. I used to do taxi, Mullines Road half a tree, with to run bus, Spanish Town half a tree, you know? So, you know, I have always been an in the street person. You know, I'm a people person. I think I have a friendly aura, you know? So people gravitate to me, you know? And that behalf and otherwise. And then my mother is chef, my father is chef. He said, Mommy, you know, me I try the soup thing. I would have tried the soup thing and the soup thing work, you know? Central Plaza chose me. I used to be at Mullines Road right by the gas station, right on the sidewalk there too. And you know, this was business start while business was on the up. But they have a point where, you know, they have a police inspector where they're growing half a tree and they must say them no want a food vending on the road and him that pressure everybody, you know. You all look a jerk man, them everybody, them take with them jerk on and them thing there. And him tell me one time, say, hey, you know, when I go home, I don't want no more soup selling, so don't come back. Why am I when I'm my one? And even them tell me don't come back, I never like that. Coming from a police officer, you know? But then sometimes you have to turn me motivation into motivation, you know? I'm a Calabar youth, so trust me, me not easily so demotivating. You have to come good to kick me off of my stride. Every morning I go to the market. Cause me like to get my food them fresh out the dirt. So like the farmer them dig the food last night. Me go to market in the morning catch the food them. Cause people, let me tell you this: when you buy your food fresh and put fresh food in your pot, you get a fresh taste. Why you think Bulbie soups are fresh? Yeah, man, fully fresh with a lot of salt. If you're wondering why Bulbie soup tastes so good, trust me, you have to go into my brains and find the secret. May I keep it like the kernel. I'm a social media person. A lot of people who have business tend to shy away from social media. I'm not that type of person. I will be on social media. And if you click your phones 2 times and refresh, you're going to see Bulbie soup pop up on your screen. That's what I'm talking about. Social media gets you across the board so fast. What word of mouth would take it to do in 10 years? Because old-fashioned people who do cooking, them believe in a word of mouth. Them not really believe in a social media. We're living in an era now where social media is very relevant. So once you're a social media person, trust me, your business is gonna pop. You have to be on the media. The first person that ever posted up on social media was Ding Dong. Big up Ding Dong. World Ding to the world. And Ding Dong's a Bulbie soup, any other soup, a cup soup. And from there, so, gone a road, man. So big up World Ding. The advice I would give to somebody out there who's starting their own little small business, business takes time. Do not rush your business. When me just start out, it took me about 5-6 months to really start see what I'm about. If I was a person who would be easy to give up, I would have give up long time. Because you gotta see Bulbie and see me here so today and feel like everything happened for me in a one day. Trust me, it took time. You know, it took time to build it. Come like you build a house, you start from foundation, ground floor, and take time to work your way and you know. So you have to just believe people. Pray to God. Trust me, you have to be a godly person. Pray, look prayer them. Ask God to bless you. They just treat everybody good. If you see about come to you, treat you see about good. And you see about going about in business, and then you have a customer come to you after, and he's a nobody, you don't know him from nowhere. Make sure you treat that person good too. Because people always watch those things and see the type of person who you are. My business is like family. So personality and business go far away. A lot of people have them business, and the more popular them get, them start to disrespect them customer, them start to feel like them better than them clients, and that's where they go wrong. The higher you go in life is the more humble you should stay, all right? Take that from me.